So I'm getting ready to refresh the edge on my scraper, my negative rake, and I have a couple tips for you. One, a viewer wrote in and said use red Sharpie when you mark the edge. The reason you're doing that is you want to see the red go away and know that you've got everything completely sharpened when you did it. Great, because the red really shows up. The other is I'm using my rough coarse wheel here. My rough coarse, I can't have duplicate. This is about 80 grit, so it's really rough. But by doing that, I get a better burr around the edge right here. I think that's really good. So the other thing is, I never change the angle of this platform, so I can always take it off, put it back on, and I'm at the perfect angle, so I'm not going to waste a lot of steel. But I'll do a little test grind here. And you can see how it removed all that red almost. You can see a little bit of red there, so it shows me I haven't gotten all the way down to the cuts in the metal, the little etching, I guess. But what I like to do is I will take this and rotate to the tip and come back. And I'm using my body a little bit, kind of like you do when you're turning, to have control of this. And now I can see there's no red anywhere on this. And then I'll take this, switch my hands, and come here and go here. And the cool thing is, with this being my 80 grit wheel, it moves the metal really fast, but like I said, it leaves a really, really good strong burr. You can see I missed a little tiny bit of red there. That's not going to affect anything in my grind up here. But that is how I like to refresh my scraper.